Hi everyone, this is Python series episode 1. Today we are going to see how to check the largest number among three given numbers using Python program. So first let us understand the problem. We are given three numbers and our task is to determine which one of them is the greatest. So first we are going to get the input. So I am going to define a variable called a and we are going to get the input as a number. So I'm using integer function that is int here, and I'm going to display string called enter number. So right here, and the same for all. We are going to change just the variable name alone. So I'm going to place this one. I'm making changes. So since the question was given that three numbers, we are getting three input, right? Yes. Here we have three numbers, and we now we are going to compare these numbers using if, elif, and else. So using this comparison conditional statement, we are going to compare the numbers. So I'm going to use if first. If a greater than b, sorry, b and a must be greater than c also. So if a is greater than these two numbers, we are going to print a, and we are going to say this is largest number. So I hope this condition is clear. I'm here saying that if A is greater than B and A is also greater than C, A is the greatest number definitely. So we are using if this condition true, this print argument statement will get evaluated. This condition is false. If in case A is smaller than B and smaller than C also, we are going to give another condition in elif. Sorry, if B is greater than A, so we are comparing the next number, and B is greater than C, print the B, right? Now here we are comparing B, so we are printing this is largest number. Okay, so we need to use the parenthesis carefully, otherwise error will come. Uh, so new error will arise if we incorrectly place two parentheses here. Since because we have opened here and we have closed, if another parenthesis is placed here, the program will arise an error. So we have defined two conditions, that is a is greater than b and a is greater than c, print a, and b is greater than a and b is also greater than c, print b. So that is none other than else we are going to use, and we are going to print c, because if these two statements fail, there is no option, there is only one and only option, that is c is the largest number. So this is how we need to write this program. I hope this would have clear. So now we are going to save this program and we are going to run. So it's asking me to input the number, right? So I'm going to enter the number 54. Okay. So number 2 must be, it is somewhat 12, and number 3 must be um, 41. So if our program works correctly, we will get 54, right? Now I'm going to press enter and see the result. Yes, here you can see among these three, the 54 is the greatest number. So it displays 54 is the largest number. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. Subscribe, like, and share.